What's up guys, welcome to Chatswood Bustech VST channel. I'm here on the Busways Willoughby, Scania K280UB, Bustech VST, Mardi Gras Party standard bus with kicks to birthday girl, 2632 SD on 115 to North Sydney via Willoughby. Force too many passengers and all the busy kids, Volvo for more normal days. Next stop is North Sydney. I have for exiting for trains to Wynyard, then catch the 390X to Kingsford on the Bondi bus, not a normal bus. Before too many passengers and not the busiest kids. Next time I usually catch the 115 at 6:26. Was all Scanias. Anyway guys, I'm going to wrap up this channel, live videos. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye for now.